So hello, welcome back to Coastal Crafts and the Halloween collab with Michelle Dobby and lots of other lovely crafters who are all linked in the description box below. So all you need to do is check out this video and then go and have a look and see what everyone else has been making. It's all Halloween stuff and all sorts of different ideas. We've got no idea what each other makes, so it should be exciting. I didn't have loads of time this week, so there'll be no tutorial, but there will be. I will show you what I made. Did a little bit of crafting, and I know I have some Happy Mail to send out, so I thought, why not do a little Happy Mail treat bag? So it's a black cat, and it's the least scary black cat possible because we know I don't really like scary Halloween. I like cutesy Halloween. So my little Halloween treat bag, and I'll just take off my little paper clip, is here. You can see trick or treat with cute googly eyes. And I think it's really cute. So perfect for putting some Happy Mail in. And to close it up, we have a little paper clip and tassel. And I'm going to show you the bits I used to make these in case you are interested yourself. And the good thing about these is they'll just clip to hold it shut with a cute little dangle. And of course, I needed something to put inside. So we have a little hair clip or hair, what do you call these? I guess they're not clips, are they? Kind of combs, which is just made with a little felt bow and a little pumpkin with a little bit of jazzle to sparkle it up. So that can go inside our treat bag as a little gift. Can be wrapped up, even better. Pop on the paper clip, and there we go, all ready. The sound of crashing behind me as the cats destroy something. So I'll just quickly show you what I used to make it in case you're interested in making something simple, simple and similar. So the trick or treat on here, started with this one because it's to the side. I think I showed you these from AliExpress in a previous AliExpress haul, a recent one. And I can link these below. You get all the different dies in that set, the different word dies. So I went for trick or treat this time with some nice holographic paper. Then the cat. The cat is actually a die from AliExpress as well. I don't know if they've still got it on there because I bought this a while ago, and I know other brands make it as well, but it's just a very simple cat face, which you could probably cut out yourself anyway. Googly eyes are googly eyes. This is very AliExpress orientated, this make, but the spiderweb is another AliExpress die. And this one I've had for a little while as well. So I'll look and see, it's popping the bits out, whether this is on there. And if it is, I can link it for you. If not, I would just type in spiderweb and I'm sure they will have something very similar. And then we come to the treat box die. And I often think just by looking at the dies, you tend to have a good idea when you're shopping for it. You don't even really need to know the name. I'm pretty sure I actually picked this one up on AliExpress as well, a treat bag, and they have lots of different treat bags on there. But this one was good because it just fitted my little cat perfectly. So a standard treat bag, and I made it using some 6x6 sheets of paper from the cute Tailored Expressions paper pad that I showed you the other week. So I just went for that one. So even though this die is slightly bigger than a 6x6, it doesn't matter because it's only the folding bit that you lose a bit from, and that didn't have any impact. It still went together. There's a little bit more glue on there and worked out okay. So that's my little treat bag. Then to make my tassel on my paper clip, the die here cut out of felt, and you can see how it nicely cuts even the dots as well in there, which I think is a cute effect. That is an AliExpress die that I can link for you because that's a recent purchase. These cute pumpkins. So I'll link them in the description box underneath the details of the other participants. So just in felt. Always good to do a bit of felt. It's actually stiffened felt, this one. And then my tassel is actually a Gemini, Crafter's Companion Gemini multimedia die. But of course, tassel die is quite easy to come by in various places, but there we go. And I've used some quite sturdy faux leather. I think it's faux leather. Looks quite faux, doesn't it? But it's was quite thick to cut just there, just because I had some and I thought it looked nice. And the tassel clips are actually by AliExpress as well. It's like I'm being sponsored. But it's a bargain. It's a bargain, all of it. It's all cheap stuff, which to clip on there. And I just went for the small, ordinary paper clips. I didn't want anything big. These combs, I remember getting them. I got them quite a while ago as well. But I did get them off eBay in like a bulk. And it was sort of about £1.50 for about 15. So I've got loads of these. So yeah, I need to do some more crafting with them. My bow die, you can get a million bow dies anywhere. This one happens to be an MFT one. And I do like this one because it does cut nicely. It will cut some of the artificial sort of faux vinyl stuff that you can get off AliExpress, and yeah, and felt and all sorts of things really nicely. It's a good die. And a bit of bling to jazz it up. So there we go. That is my make for this week. As I say, I've been really busy with school, so I've not had loads of time to do any crafting. And I have a lot of work to do this weekend to go with it. Oh no, it's popped out. Look, my little tassels popped out. Sort that out later. But yeah, I think he is a cute little treat bag. So let me know what you think. Have you been doing Halloween Happy Mail and making things like that for people? Or little treat bags for children? That would be cute, wouldn't it? And what have you been making? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you soon. Bye.